Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare fruit cake. Come, let's see the ingredients. Ingredients for 1 kg. Here I have taken 250 grams of maida, half teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 eggs, 250 grams of walnuts, 250 grams of cashews, 250 grams of sugar, powder it. Raisins 250 grams pre-soaked in rum, 250 grams of butter. Come, let's start the preparation. As a first step, we need to pre-soak the raisins in rum. To prepare sugar caramel, heat 50 grams of sugar from 250 grams. Once sugar melts and turns black, add 100 ml of water. Let it cool. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda to maida and sift using sieve or sifter thrice. Separate egg yolk from white and keep it. Beat egg yolk using beater separately. Beat egg white using beater separately. Beat the butter till it turns light and fluffy. Add powdered sugar and beat it. Add egg yolk and beat it. Add sugar caramel and beat it. Add egg white and maida and mix it. Add 2 teaspoons of maida to raisins and mix it. This is to avoid raisins from settling down. Now mix the raisins with the butter batter. Add crushed walnuts and mix it. Add cashews and mix it. If the batter becomes stiff, add little milk to smoothen it. Now batter is ready. Preheat oven at 180 degrees. Pour batter into the molds and bake for 1 hour. Now cake is ready. Apply rum over the cake. Wow! Cake is ready! Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.